Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Lavender theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to follow is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. And first step you need to update your Messenger application by clicking on this update. So once you complete that step you need to go back and you need to simply open your Facebook Messenger. So once you open, you simply need to select the person name and then you simply need to select person name on the top and click on theme. So once you are here you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see this one. You simply need to select that and this is Lavender, so you simply need to select that. So now you can see that Lavender theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.